To thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, Siberian tigers rely on thick coats of fur, fine-tuned night vision, and razor-sharp claws. But another critical survival tool is not so easily glimpsed: their personalities. In the first study investigating the dispositions of tigers in a semi-wild setting, researchers surveyed the caretakers of nearly 250 Siberian tigers about the cat's personality traits. The findings, published today in the Royal Society Open Science, suggest the psychological makeup of Siberian tigers may affect their hunting, mating, and even social standing among their peers. The work could help conservationists manage these endangered animals, says Ellen Williams, an ethologist at Harper Adams University who was not involved in the new study. With only about 500 Siberian tigers left in the wild, insights into how they interact with their environment are vital, she says. The Siberian, or Amur, tiger, Panthera tigris altaica, is the largest tiger subspecies. It can weigh more than 200 kilograms. In the frigid forests of the Russian Far East and northeastern China, these burly cats stalk a variety of prey including birds, boars, and bears. Like other populations of tigers, Siberian tigers are endangered by habitat loss from logging and expanding human settlement. Another threat is poaching. The cat's body parts have long been used in traditional Chinese medicine. Today, there are estimated to be 10 times as many Siberian tigers living in captivity in Texas as in the wild. So when scientists led by Rosalind Arden, a cognitive researcher at the London School of Economics and Political Science, wanted to plumb the psyche of these fierce felines, they turned to 248 Siberian tigers living in 2 wildlife sanctuaries in northeastern China where groups of tigers roam in fenced-in swaths of forests or snowy grasslands. The team invited more. In total, the caretakers completed more than 800 questionnaires, offering the researchers multiple personality surveys on each tiger. A battery of statistical analyses revealed whether particular adjectives clustered around certain tigers. 2 distinct personality types emerged that accounted for nearly 40% of the tigers' behaviors. Tigers that scored higher on words such as confident, competitive, and ambitious fell under what the researchers labeled as the majesty mindset. Those that exhibited traits such as obedience, tolerance, and gentleness were grouped together under the steadiness mindset. Together, these 2 personalities explained 38% of the behavioral differences displayed by the tigers in the study. According to Williams, the new findings resemble past data on both wild and domestic cats. She cites a review article that found the most common personality types across felines are sociable, dominant, and curious. It would seem that majesty aligns. Lions are typically decisive, confident, and natural leaders who are focused on achieving their goals. They are often very independent and self-sufficient, valuing their own strength and competence. However, lions can also be prone to anger and aggression, particularly when their authority or control is challenged. They may struggle with vulnerability or admitting their own weaknesses and can sometimes come across as intimidating or overly domineering. Overall, the lion personality type is often seen as powerful and commanding but may benefit from learning to balance their strength with humility and empathy. Strengths: visionary, persistent, practical, productive, initiates change in projects, communicates directly, enjoys being challenged, strong-willed, independent, decisive, leader. Weaknesses: insensitive/cold, sarcastic, self-sufficient, impatient, stubborn, overlooks risks, controlling at times, can be too direct. The lion personality type is often found in lead.